Here's how you can create a tint of a specific color in Illustrator. So to begin, let's just select the color we want to make a tint of, and then open our swatches panel here, and let's just create a new swatch. We can name this whatever we want. I'll just name this red pink. And then you want to make sure that global is checked, and then process color is fine for the color type. And then let's just hit OK. So now you'll see our swatch in our swatches library here. So let's just duplicate this color by holding Alt or Option on your keyboard and just dragging out our shape. And now let's open up our color panel here. And under your flyout menu, you just want to make sure that Show Options is selected. And now you'll see a T slider, and this is our tint slider with our name here for our color. So let's just go ahead and drag this percent down to 50. So this is a 50% tint of our original color. And then let's just go back to our swatches panel here and create a new swatch of our new tint color. So if I hover over our new swatch, you'll see that it says our color name plus the percentage of our tint. And let's just go ahead and drag out this one more time to create another tint. Let's go back to our color panel and just drag this down to, let's say, 25%. And again, go back to our swatches panel, create a new swatch. So now we have a 25% tint and a 50% tint. And now the nice thing about these being global colors is if I select our original color and then just change some of these values here, you'll see that it changes all of our different swatch colors. And that is how you can easily create a tint in Illustrator. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, make sure to leave a thumbs up and subscribe. It helps a lot to support the channel and to create more tutorials like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.